Hey colorful people, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing pregnancy symptoms, weird pregnancy symptoms before a missed period. Continue watching this video if you want to be informed. So symptom number one is a racing heart. An erratic heartbeat. Your heartbeat is faster. So this can be seen on your neck. That's what happened to me. I could look in the mirror and see my neck moving. So that's how some people know if they don't know you and they see you like older people. Now I look at your neck and say your neck a jump. So that means you are pregnant. Symptom number two is you're feeling extra drained. You have no energy whatsoever. All you want to do is sleep. That happened to me. I went to work and all I wanted to do was wait on lunchtime to come so I can get some Z's. I can get some sleep. I didn't need any food. I didn't need any water. All I wanted was sleep. Number three, your next symptom would be you crave salty things. So whenever you have your food, no matter where you eat, you sprinkle salt on it. You want salt, you just feel like your body want salt. And I don't know why, but you just crave salty things. Next, you are very moody. You're happy now? And then somebody just walk across your path, angry. You just get angry all of a sudden and you don't know why. You don't hate the person, but they just anger you for no reason. You're happy now, then you just feel sad. You just feel like you want to cry. You just start crying for no reason. Get a test. Okay. And the next symptom will be constipation. Although constipation can be a sign of another illness or other illnesses, it is a sign of pregnancy. And the worst one, or one of the worst ones, are headaches. I used to get headaches a lot. And I say, you have migraine. Something wrong with me. Why my head always hurt me? You're not hearing no loud music, nothing bother you, but you just feel this headache. That is a sign that you're pregnant before a missed period. Next, this one kind of frightened me. You have pelvic cramps. So you have cramps in your pelvic area, and it can make walking very difficult for you. So I remember what came out of a taxi once and I couldn't stand up. I'm like, what is this? And that's when I found out I was pregnant. That's when I went to the doctor and he confirmed it. Next symptom is frequent urination. So if you have to get up in the middle of the night 10 times, 20 times to urinate, you might be pregnant. You might be expecting a bundle of joy soon. Next symptom is watery mouth. Not a stomach, watery mouth. So you can your mouth is always filled with water. You have to be spitting every minute. I don't know why. Probably because you crave salt more or something, but the mouth is always watery. You always have to be spitting. And the final symptom that you're pregnant before missing your period is bloating. So with bloating now it feels like, you have that bloating before your period, so it feels like your period is about to come. If it fool you, that bloating is pregnancy. So you might feel, the little feeling that you feel when it soon starts, yeah, you feel that feeling, so it can trick you. Your body is a very tricky thing, so that can trick you, but don't be tricked. So if you have any of these symptoms, any of these signs, do a test because you might be expecting. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you learned a lot. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to live good, live healthy, and live colorful.